In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in one single month just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more, okay? So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. So I made this commission in the month of March, okay? From the first day of March until the last day, 31 of March, and I will click on update, okay? And as you can see, guys, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is not screenshot, it's my affiliate account dashboard, okay? And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will be able to withdraw this money again by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission in next few days. It can be up to 10k again this month. So anyways, so for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, first go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Pinterest, with Fiverr affiliate. So just click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, okay? And choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr and I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate service that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission, okay? Click on the search for Pinterest pin design, okay? Search for Pinterest pin design. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? And as you can see, people here, there are a lot of sellers here who are providing this service and those sellers has a lot of reviews. So those reviews come from people who has Pinterest account. A lot of people who has Pinterest account, they are buying this service, okay? As you can see, for example, like this one, he has a lot of reviews, 5-star, like this one. This one has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star, level 2 seller. I will click on this seller, just click on the service of the seller that you want to use. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 6 orders in queue. People are buying this service. Which people will buy this service? Only people who has Pinterest account, okay? Do people who want to design their Pinterest pins, okay? So what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link, okay? And you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google, It's super easy. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, that's a really big number. Every single day people using Pinterest to search for specific services, product topics, and those people who have Pinterest business account, they will be interested to design their Pinterest pins. Okay, so after you finish your sign up process, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture. Okay, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save image. Okay, it's super easy, and I will name it, for example, uh, pins. I will click on save. I will go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, like this. Click on open, and here you go. Click over here on the title and go back to this seller profile page. Copy his title. Go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Paste, okay, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You have here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, I will copy this part like this. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down. You have here link. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. This account is almost like 3 or 5, between maybe 3 or 5 years. Okay, it's old account. If you don't have this option, you can copy Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, this one is of course it's almost the same, and this one is even better. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here and go back to your Pinterest account and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board and click on create. If you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keyword. Okay, so go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down, go to related tags. Okay, and copy those keywords. Okay, copy those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. It's super easy. Pinterest pin design, I will copy this one and I will put these keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, and as you can see, your picture will be like this picture that's explaining your service, your affiliate link here, your title and your description. Okay, that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Use search for services that are related to Pinterest. Okay, as you can see, like this one has a lot of reviews. Which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has Pinterest account. Okay, people who want to design their Pinterest account. This one, a lot of reviews. That's what I do to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing and promote affiliate links on Pinterest. I'm choosing services that are related to Pinterest, services that will help those people who has Pinterest, new Pinterest account, to grow their Pinterest account and to get more followers, more engagement, more views, and I will earn commission. It's super easy, but need consistency, a lot of hard work, and doing more research. See what people are searching for on Pinterest, which services will be profitable, which services will work, and which one will not works, and you will keep promoting only services that will works for you, and you will start making commission like this with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And if you don't need to use just Pinterest, you can use YouTube, Facebook groups, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Check my YouTube channel for free. I share all those methods, guys, for free, and how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic. And that's it. And also, I'm working, guys, on a course about affiliate marketing that will be ready very soon. Okay, that will cover everything about affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, so the course will be ready in about, I will try to make it done in 1 month or less. Okay, I will keep you guys updated in my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video.